now this is the last part. Now we will show how to host a static web page on GitHub. Yeah, sorry. So now to host a static web page on GitHub, now if we have GitHub Student Pack, we can host static web page on GitHub with our own GitHub ID name. But now if we don't have, we can host our repositories also, but we cannot host our own GitHub ID name. So now for that, initially, first step is to create a new repository. So now initially keep this repository empty. So this repository name should be my username dot git. You can see like a special repository is being created. They will also understand that you are creating repository for your own website. So github dot github dot io. So this will be name of your repository, and when you avail the GitHub Student Pack, like this will be URL for your any websites or anything you want to host. So after this, we keep it private because it's your own website. You do not keep it public, and we create this repository. Yeah. So this empty repository is created for now, and after creating this empty repository, now I want to host any website. Like it can host only static pages. So if you have any repository with static pages, you can just go to that repository. Now after this repository, I will go to settings. So in my settings, in the initial options, I go below. You can see many more options are there. So when I go down, I have this option called GitHub Pages. So GitHub Pages, my currently it's none here. So instead of none, I click on Master Branch. Master Branch is the repository which I had created as name synergy-comm.github.io. Now this repository will be attached to my master branch. So after clicking on that, I go again down, and yeah, it will show your site is ready to publish, and wherever you send this link, yeah, you can see my website is hosted. So like I can, like, even if I have any other HTML name, I can use that HTML name, and index.html is the initial for GitHub. But if you don't have index.html, you add anything, any other name. If you have, it will host that thing again. So yeah, so this is the website for our task. I have posted this also. So now we are just yeah. So now if I am fast, don't worry, we are recollecting as well. We will share this PPT, so it will be much more easier for you. I just explain how to do things using GitHub. So while recollection, go to your GitHub account. Initially create a repository being private as username.github.io, your username. So in my case, it was synergy.comm.github.io. Keep this private. After doing this, if you have a GitHub Student Pack, you can host this website directly. If you don't have, you can host any other repositories still. So I go to that repository, I go to my settings, in options, I go to my GitHub pages. And in that source, I change from none to master branch. So from none to master branch, it will host my repository. If very less like content is there, it will host on the spot. If a large content is there, it will take a minute or two. But you can host your static pages, your portfolio websites, your like any front end page which doesn't have a backend connected to it. It is the best solution to host your websites.